I'm going to show you how to remove and recondition your generator on your gasoline-powered club car golf cart. This golf cart has had some serious hours on it. It's from 2008, and if you're ever wondering which model you have, you can find that information right under the dash, which can help you look up parts and owner's manual for your specific golf cart. You can find access to the generator and other parts by lifting up the seat or removing the access panel on the back portion of the seat. And there we will find our generator, which has a few connections to it, the part number, model number, also belts attached to it. Make sure that those are in good condition and still in working order. So before you remove the alternator, take a good look around, take a few pictures, make sure that you know where all the electrical connections are going and that they were actually secure. Before we unhook anything, you want to disconnect the battery or remove the fuse from the fuse holder. If we're going to remove it, then we can go ahead and start removing the nuts that hold down the wires. Again, taking pictures to remember where all those connections went to. Be sure to put everything to the side in a safe location, not to lose any of the nuts or washers. And I'm just slowly going through and removing all the connections. Now with all the electrical connections removed, we can remove the bracket nuts and bolts that hold the generator into place. And I had to use 2 wrenches as this was on there pretty tight. But with those bracket hardware removed, then I could remove the generator from the golf cart and get it to my workbench. This part can be expensive, so a refurb kit might be the way to go. First, take your 8mm socket and remove, it might be 10 or 8mm socket, and remove the faceplate covers along with these rubber grommets. These are just viewing port so that you can see what's going on. You can see all that dust from the years of operation. A good indication that it's time to refurbish it. So now I can slide this faceplate off, exposing the internals of the generator. We flip this faceplate over, and this surface, it spins, and we need to clean that up along with replacing these little blocks, which are the brushes of the motor. Now, if these blocks, you can see how they kind of get pushed. If they've been worn down too far, you can see all this generator dust that I'm blowing out. Then you need to replace these because they need to make contact with the spinning part. And when they've been worn down too far, they no longer make contact, and you need to put a new one in. These are just towards the end of their life, and you just simply replace these little pieces, and you can put a new ones in and get some more life out of the generator. But this surface, I use some fine grit sandpaper to clean it off, as some of that dust had kind of caked on it. And we want a nice clean connection as the rotating mass creates the current. So with that all cleaned up, I'm going to put it back together, see if we get any more life out of it while I'm waiting for the parts to replace the innards of the alternator. But it's a pretty straightforward process. Simply replace the parts, put it all back together, put the faceplate back on, make sure everything's all lined up. Again, replacing the internals of the alternator would only be necessary if your golf cart got tons and tons of use. The other thing you can do while we're cleaning up the generator is to clean up the clutch. You can see all this dust on the inside. I'm just using my airline to blow out all the dust. And then I'm gonna actually run some WD-40 through there, or brake clean. I'm gonna run the WD first, and I'm just gonna slip the hose into the clutch, soak it, and then I'm going to hit it with a ton of brake clean, and then hit it with the air once again. This is a little way you don't have to disassemble the clutch. It's not a bad idea if you live in a dusty environment. There's the generator back in. While I'm waiting for the new parts, I'm going to have to take it back out again because we got to use this cart. So if you found this content helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment. Any additional links will be provided in the video description. Please consider donating if you found this content helpful.